to nature beauty. Hi, I am a mountain, tall, silent, and strong. I touch the skies and watch over the world below. Hi, I am a blue sky, vast, calm, and full of wonder. I watch over the world with a gentle gaze, carrying dreams on the wings of clouds. Welcome to my garden. Hi, I'm a small but vibrant garden filled with colorful flowers, fresh herbs. Hi, I am a river. I begin my journey high in the mountains. As a small stream, I flow through forests, valleys, and villages. Hi, I am a forest. I am nature's sanctuary, home to countless animals, birds, insects, and plants. Hi, I am Iceland. I'm a small island nation located in the North Atlantic Ocean.